got the Beautylish box for the lucky box. For the first time in my life, I've been watching the unboxings of the lucky bag. And the first video that I ever filmed was unboxing my Beautylish lucky bag.
This is my third or fourth Beautylish box. I got mine super early this year.
Unboxing of Beautylish Lucky Bag 20 for 2023.
I just got the regular lucky bag.
Pretty.
I did a poll and asked, did you guys want to see me unbox the new Beautylish lucky bag for this year? And the majority of you said yes, and I'm excited. I got it in the mail yesterday. Once it shipped out, it took like a week to get to me, so I'll tell you more about the Beautylish lucky bag at the end of the video. I just want to see what I got right now. Oh my goodness, so cute. Everybody talks about the paper and go into like details. I mean, it's beautiful paper, but I'm excited for the content. I also saw somebody unbox a sunscreen. Oh, while you're here, subscribe to the channel. I mainly do sunscreen reviews and talk about how to prevent skin cancer. And I'm hoping there's a sunscreen in here. Okay, oh, mine's very well packaged. Make sure I don't miss anything. All right. Okay, so this was the smaller size. That was $75 plus tax and shipping, which I think ended up being $90. There was a larger size that was like $150 plus tax and shipping, and that's too much for me. All right, let's see here. I'm just gonna pull stuff out. Ooh, I see some good stuff. Okay. All right, so this is the Wayne Goss. Never had anything from Wayne Goss in Pecan Luxury Cream Lipstick. Ooh. I'll show you up close. I'll probably put some B-roll in. Let's just see what this looks like. It looks like a brown. I'm just gonna have to rip the packaging, aren't I? It looks like a brown lip gloss. Or not lip gloss, lipstick. Ooh, luxe packaging. Fancy. All right, let's see here. Should I attempt to put it on? It's brown. Okay, we need a mirror. Oh my, that's dark. I don't know how I feel about it. That is dark. That's dark. Okay, what do you think? What do you think? All right, I'll have to play with that more. I've never worn a brown lipstick before, and this was in Pecan. Okay. I've got another cat right here. Jojo, what you doing? All right, the next thing I'm pulling out is Good Molecules. Haven't tried this brand before. Ultra Hydrating Facial Oil. I do have a facial oil open right now. It's the Biossance one that I absolutely love. Oils last a really long time for me, so I probably will, oops, sorry, I didn't mean to scare you, will wait and finish that one up. But it has Camilla seed oil and Hippophae. I don't know if I'm saying that right. Last step in your routine or under moisturizer. Oh, it's a cute little bottle. It's a baby bottle. It's a little baby bottle. It's 0.44 fluid ounces. Does it have a scent? Let's find out. No scent. Okay. All right. I'm excited to try that. All right. Oh, I see a palette in here, you guys. Bougie. Okay. This is the R & Co High Dive Moisture and Shine Cream. I've had one other R & Co. It was like a scalp scrub that was in like a FabFitFun bundle. Can I put this on my hair now? Work through towel dried hair and air dry or blow dry. Oh, you're supposed to put it in before you blow dry. All right, I'm not mad about it. What is this? Okay. All right, I see something I needed. Okay, we're saving the best for last. Okay, I did get the Mauve blush and palette. So how do I open this? Oh, it's falling out. Is it supposed to fall out? Okay, that's really pretty. That's dark. I think that's gonna be too dark for me. But it comes with like a little carrying a little case that you snap it into. So let's see. Oh, geez. Oh, I got it on my pants. I'm so excited. I keep dropping everything. How is this supposed to go in here? That was more complicated than it should have been. That was just me. Okay, that's cute, but it looks like it's gonna be too dark, doesn't it? Okay, maybe not. It's more, you can't tell. You can't tell. It's more like a baby pink or coral. That might work for me. That actually might work for me. Okay, okay. All right, at the end, I'll tell you, I'm gonna add up everything and tell you what the value was because it's supposed to be more than the $90 that I paid for it. Okay. Ooh. I got, I'm assuming these are brushes, which I have been needing makeup brushes. These are Unit 204 brushes. I was hoping for a Sonia G because I heard those were fantastic, but I'm not mad about it. Look how beautiful. They're white with black tips, and I've been needing a smudger brush for under my lower lash line. These are so pretty. Okay, I'm not mad about it. I'm not mad about it at all. So what brand are these? Is it not called Unit? I don't know. I'll let you know. I'll put on the screen what brand these are. So exciting. And the last thing, y'all, I got a Natasha Denona My Dream palette. Never in my life have I owned such a bougie palette. All right. Bougie. Whoa. It looks like ink splatters on it. Has like a matte texture. Okay, well, I probably will only use 4 or 5 of these shades. Woo, that's some bling. That is some bling. Look at that bling. Look. It's like dark. There are maybe 1, 2, 3, 4 shades that I'll use. It's like plums and purples, and then some very sparkly glittery colors, which I'm not about. So, but I'm excited. I'm excited to play with it. And if I don't like it, I can always pass it on to my sister. So, woo! What'd you think? Did I get lucky? All right, I just finished doing the calculations. Let's recall I got 6 bougie items in this Beautylish lucky bag. I paid $90, which included tax and shipping, and the total value is, drum roll, $198. Woo! So yes, I feel like I got lucky. I got everything about 50% off. I'm excited to try everything. It's all stuff that I would never purchase myself or that was too expensive. It was out of my price range. So I'm excited. Y'all, there was a Wayne Goss lip pencil hiding in the bag that I didn't even see. It's called Natural Berry. So this just sent my total value of my box to over $200. So I got everything over $200. I don't wear lip pencils, but I'm gonna try this lip pencil. Wow, so I got 7 items. Why have I not tried brown makeup before? This is the Wayne Goss. I attempted to put the lip pencil on, but I don't really know how to apply a lip pencil. But I think it looks really good. Yes, it's dark. It's moody. It's called Pecan, and I'm so pale. But what? I think I like it. What do you think? And then I did put the blush on, the Mob Beauty blush, lightly. I put it here, kind of give that sun-kissed look. It is like a coral. It's very bright. I think it would look on a variety of skin tones, but I had to do it very, very lightly. But what do you think? I think it looks fantastic. Also, I've been testing out a new sunscreen underneath this foundation. Video coming soon. To get yours, the day after Christmas, Beautylish will pop up on their website, a place where you can put your email in, and then they will send you an email that has you pre-order your Beautylish bag, and then it ships out like the 2nd or 3rd week of January. Easy peasy. They sell out quick every year. They come in 2 sizes. Did you get a lucky bag this year? Let me know in the comment section down below. Or would you? Would you consider getting a lucky bag next year? This was my first one. I might get it getting next year. I think I will. Bougie.